The Ministry of Home Affairs is increasingly deploying AI tools for predictive policing, cybercrime detection, and financial fraud prevention. Artificial intelligence in internal security. Artificial intelligence is transforming governance and security frameworks globally. In India, AI is being integrated into internal security systems to enhance surveillance, crime detections, and decision-making capabilities. Role of AI in internal security enables predictive policing by analyzing crime patterns, facilitates real-time surveillance and monitoring, enhance cybercrime detection through data analytics, improves coordination among law enforcement agencies. AI act as a force multiplier by enabling faster and more accurate responses to security threats. Key initiative and tools. India has developed multiple AI-driven tools to strengthen internal security, predictive policing. AI systems analyze historical data to identify crime-prone areas and patterns. This helps police forces deploy resources more efficiently and prevent crimes before they occur. Dark web monitoring. AI-based tool monitor dark web platform to track phishing campaigns, fraud networks, criminal discussions. This enhances the capability to detect cyber threats proactively. Mule Hunter application. The Mule Hunter system uses AI and machine learning to identify mule accounts used for financial fraud, developed in collaboration with RBI Innovation Hub. Uses behavioral and transaction data for suspect scoring, enables real-time detection and blocking of fraudulent transactions. Surakshini initiatives. Surakshini is a proposed AI-based system for tackling online harmful content, focuses on child sexual exploitive and abuse material and non-consensual intimate imagery, creates a HAS database to prevent re-upload of such content, shifts from reactive takedown to preventive monitoring, AI-based complaint systems. The government is upgrading the cybercrime helpline 1930 with AI-assisted complaint registration, supports regional languages, improves accessibility and response time. News summary. The Parliamentary Standing Committee report highlights the increasing role of AI in India's internal security framework, expansion of AI in security. As mentioned in the report, AI is being used as a critical enabler for enhancing operational capabilities across police forces and paramilitary units. These includes real-time surveillance, behavioral analysis, and crime pattern recognition. Institutional collaboration. The Ministry of Home Affairs is collaborating with institutions such as IIT Bombay for AI model development, Reserve Bank Innovation Hub for financial fraud detection. These collaboration aims to build robust and scalable AI systems, cybercrime monitoring and prevention. The Indian Cybercrime Coordination Center is central to AI deployment. AI tools are used to monitor dark web activities and scam networks. Complaint registration is being modernized with AI support. Additionally, AI models are used to screen cyber decline data for harmful content, financial fraud detection. The integration of Mule Hunter with banking systems allows real-time suspect scoring of transactions, early identification of fraudulent accounts, prevention of financial cybercrimes. This marks a shift toward proactive fraud prevention, content moderation, and online safety. Surakshini will introduce a preventative content moderation framework. Automated hash matching will prevent the upload of illegal content. Dashboard will track complaints, FIRs, and takedown timelines. This enhances transparency and coordination among agencies. Emerging technologies in immigration. The Immigration Visa Foreigners Registration and Tracking 3.0 system to be launched in April 2026 will integrate AI and blockchain, enables intelligent traveler profiling, improve security and authenticity of records. Challenges and concerns. Despite its advantage, AI deployment in internal security raises several concerns. Privacy issues. Increased surveillance may affect individual privacy rights, data security, risk of misuse or breach of sensitive data, algorithmic bias. AI system may reflect biases in training data, technological limitations. Some applications such as document forgery detection are still under development.